And we're back. Ironhead brake shoes. Realigning parts.
In my way.
Yeah, I'm in your way because there's no room in this shop now.
Plenty of room.
Ooh, beaten stick.
It's a bolt.
Bolt, huh?
Bolt. Official bolt. Which way we going? That way. Don't hit the indicator.
Don't hit the indicator.
Uh-oh. Ooh, way off.
Gentle. I mean, it's hard to be gentle with a lead. I mean, with a very heavy hammer.
Gentle. Yep. Damn.
You ever try to go to your house meeting and fix anything for your mom, okay?
If it's open,
Let it fall.
don't swear.
Where your keys?
In my pocket.
In his pocket. Give him the keys, man.
Busy. There you go. How's that?
That'll work. Come on, it's for the booby trap.
Put that online, man. Get some people off.
Yeah, I know. We're back in business.
Thank you.
I've got that one there. Not straight. Not straight there though.
So this thing was like, it was not straight at all.
It's like that thing in your pants bent.
The what?
It's like that thing in your pants is bent.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Got a bunch of low spots there. Oh yeah, that's way out of order. Who did that?
I don't know. There you go. There's the high point.
That's it?
There you go.
Low point now? Or just the indicator got hit? Got a new high spot now.
There you go. Right there.
That's the one?
Give it a little tap. There you go. Yep. Come on, you know my bike is not a NASA project. Ooh,
What?
that one's bouncy right there.
Keep moving?
There you go.
You didn't know, did it?
Little,
No?
not enough.
Good ball.
There you go.
That It moves back quickly, so. See, it moves. Once you get it moved, it moves easy. Slow. Okay, that's what that's it.
That'll work.
Close.
That's good.
Why is that all screwed up now?
I don't know, man.
Fix the other part. It has a zoom out here. That's some easy stuff.
Whoa, hey.
It's pretty close. What do you think? Is that within 3?
No.
Within 30? 50.
45.
43.
43.
43. That's pretty close. That's within 3-ish. 3-ish. That's going to wiggle. That's going to be a wiggle wiggle.
Look at that. That's down to what, like 3?
3. Three at high speed, 2 at normal.
3 at high speed will wobble. How's that even? That doesn't spin.
It's only 2. When you do that, when you go higher speed, it goes more. Close, but then it gets worse. See, high speed is different than low speed. That's the problem. What number's that? Number 1. Close.
Yeah.
Look on the eyeball. It's got a wobble, wobble, wobble thing going on.
Well, it's definitely a lot better than what it was.
You think?
Maybe.
The problem with the shoes are seeing the part that's going like this, not this part. That's the problem. I don't know.
What do you think? Let's make a new part. It'll be faster.
I don't like what it's doing. This part can be straight. You see how it's got multiple issues there. See, we're chucking up out here where it's going straight all the way down here, but it's not straight into this. So now I'm going to try to make it straight where I want it to be straight. So that's 50 out.
Yeah.
See, this looks pretty straight all the way. When you look at this, it looks like it's just bent right here.
Yeah.
So then I'm going to hit it right up close there.
Yeah.
It's hard to do because as far as the bend, you got no leverage on it.
Yeah. There you go, that did something.
It's moving, but it's doing what it wants to do is the problem. 'Cause, 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 for it to get something to happen.
There you go.
So it's straight, but it's got the
Yeah.
going on. I don't know how close to this one was made though. You'd think it would have been pretty good made,
Yeah.
but it's better to be like that than
Oh yeah, it was literally like that.
you know, I meant the way I straightened it before, going this direction.
I mean, but where it came from, yeah, that's a lot better.
It's got the up and down. It's better to be up and down than doing the wobbling.
Yeah. I think that's good.
I mean, it's down the tower in this direction. So you can 5 out that way.
Yeah.
It's better to be 5 out that way than the other way. So it gets worse out here. It's 10. That's better to be off like that than what I did the first time.
Yeah.
See, the first time I had about the same thing, but I didn't like it, so
Yeah.
I did get some of the S that was out in here because it was like,
Yeah.
it was like Z shaped through here, but oh, that'll work. Looks like the threads are still
All right, just not towards the bottom.
just sort of there. Sure, you got to dive somewhere when you run and fix that, don't you?
Yeah, right there.
Where? Oh, here my pile, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, my pile. Where's your pile?
What's yours is mine, bud.
Oh, thanks.
What's mine is yours.
It almost fits. It looks like that's a coarse thread.
Don't need a coarse thread on that one.
That was fine.
Mead. Excuse me.
You're a pig.
Oh, no.
So obviously I screwed it up. I can fix it with my fingers. See?
Yeah. Must be so terrible. Oh, it's so bad.
I'm
Can't
so
even
strong.
fix it. Sweet.
All right. $500.
Yeah, I know. $60 for shoes. Jesus. It's more than my shoes that I buy on my feet. These bad boys.
I got my boots on today. What are you talking about? Picking on me again?
Them shiny boots.
Shiny.
I need to get them polished up.
They are polished.